if you are not in their contacts, you cannot text them, you cannot send message to them. So you always get this option. Even if you use to try again, still get the same thing. If you use try again, you get the same thing. So how to solve this problem? What you are going to do? You say click learn more. So you get to this spam info bot. So it says, my friend, some Telegram user found your message annoying. Probably most of the time, maybe you send message to a group and they block you or remove you from the group. That's when you can have this kind of problem, and Telegram bots will restrict you from sending messages. Yours, you have to just type it there. Just it's like that. You put the stats like this. So then you click on send. So it says good news, no limits are correctly applied to your accounts. You're as free as a bed.
Contact, non-contact. So let's see. Say, has your account's been limited recently? Yes. Say, sometimes the limitation have after effects that can last up to 24 hours. Try again tomorrow, it will work. So it is as easy as this to slam. Some people might face different difficulties apart from this, so I'll also show you that. Send a message to the same person that I've sent message to before, and this is what I get. So after using the bots, you can see I can now resend those messages and they went well. So this person is still, I'm not still in their contacts, but I can now send them messages using the spam bots correction. So I hope this is helpful. So this is someone else Telegram that is having the same problem I just explained. So let's solve this problem also. So let's click here. So it's saying this person cannot send message to Justin because this is not in his contact. So let's solve this problem also. We click learn more. Then so you have this kind of problem. Unfortunately, it is not possible. We are worried that we can guarantee this user's safety from unwanted. But remember that you can still reply to anyone who message you first. So also detecting that you're recreating your account won't help you. So this is what the spam bot is saying. So let's see what to do. Let's see. Like I said, this mostly comes from maybe you are sharing things in groups. So let's see, you can say it's coming with the same problem. Your account is limited and blah blah blah. So just say I was wrong, please okay, this is a mistake. Let's say this is a mistake. If you think the account is limited on your accounts were applied by mistake, you can submit a complaint. So let's see. So just say yes. You would like to. Says, great, please confirm that you have never sent these strangers. It's kind of message stock advertising. So says, great, very sorry your account was lifted by mistake. Please limited by mistake. Now it says please write me some details about your okay. So just say So you say I was correcting and informing some people about scamming in a group. Maybe that's why they reported me. I don't want innocent people to fall into those traps. So then that should be the message you send, and I believe they will solve it as soon as possible. So they said, thank you, your complaint has been successfully submitted. So you have to wait for some time. So if you wait some time it's not solved, then you can still try the same method again. It will be definitely solved. Can you see, after waiting for a while, I was able to send message to this contact that was not able to send before. So this was the spam bot messages I sent. Can you see? So can you see the message? So that was the solution. Can you now see? So it's as simple as this. I hope this video is helpful and you can also solve the problem you're facing. Can you see now? So thank you.